Hello, my name is Garrett Torgerson, and thank you for viewing my redesign project. So what I am planning to redesign is the dishwashing component, preferably the drying component. What is used right now is this little section right here. It's a little heating bar, and it allows for the dishes to be heated. That's why they're always dry, but it also allows for them to be dried off through heat. So here are the views of my redesign. So as you can see, this little red is the heat area, which can also represent this when it's hot. And then this is a little fan design, and the fan is built to, once it's done heating, it'll spin and blow off all the water and just all those little water droplets that get really annoying and it's just very inefficient when it comes to dishwashing and drying them off and putting them away. It'll blow all that water off and make it much easier and they'll be much drier. How my design is better than others? Many modern dishwashers have a drying component that dry off those dishes, as previously stated, but through previous experiences, at least in my life, they don't work. My design is better because it incorporates heat and a fan that will blow off all the water, and there'll be more effective drying. The heating component, as stated before, is in the red, and the fan is in the middle with the gray. Those are the little fan blades, and they'll blow, sort of like wind, or like create air that'll blow off all those water droplets. The 4 factors of my design. This will help enhance the human welfare. People know what they're paying for. Being honest and impartial. The product will work and allow for more efficiency, and the public will trust the product more rather than doing nothing. Increasing competence and prestige. I would love to help the people who design dishwashers just from a consumer standpoint, and just help them just better know on how to better design dishwashers. Supporting professional and technical societies. I respect those who make them. However, I feel the improvements need to be made, and I just feel like they've been neglected. They're not really talked about, but a lot of people, not secretly, but just don't really talk about it. But it is a very inefficient part of that. My design will not cause problems because it is not a very big design that will cause other components to be taken out or placed in. It's just a simple part inside the heating component that's already there. It'll spin around and it will dry off everything. And a lot of those spinners that you see in dishwashers already, those are water sprayers that spray the water and clean stuff off. That's not a fan. It's completely different from my design. And it's just that dishes don't get dry, and this would be one of those ways to at least try and get it done. No, the issues will really be created because it's not really creating any other problems with other components throughout the entire dishwasher. Alright, that is my presentation, and thank you, and I hope you buy my product.